Hi everyone, I am Soumya Dikshit, practicing this life-changing philosophy since past 6 years. I just wanted to share a little victory in my life, which is occurred during the COVID-19 time, as the time was very difficult for everyone. But with the help of this philosophy and with the power of Namme Horengekyo, I developed in strength to face all three challenges in my life. I was facing financial, health, and relationship karma all together. And in the month of March, when I was out of work and was doing nothing, then I decided to study one of our book, which is Basics of Buddhism. And after reading that book, I realized the words written in the book are so powerful that they have encouraged me so much and has changed my way of thinking and way of practicing Nichiren Buddhism. Following the heart of mentor and by understanding his way of doing Kosen Rufu and his way of facing challenges and so much of dedication for others, and by understanding the meaning of selfless practice, I determined to chant daily for 2 to 3 hours in a day, and I was taking part in the activities, doing Gongyo regularly, doing meetings, doing dialogues, and with more and more conviction, and I was transforming my karma. And then suddenly, when I was selflessly practicing with the specific prayer for all my WDs and for one of my senior to become a government advocate and to eradicate coronavirus from this world, then one day mystically it manifested in my life and the list for panel lawyer came and I was in that list, kind for which I was not praying, and also not praying for some also, and I was praying for someone to become a government advocate, but Gonzon planted it in my life and I became a panel lawyer. This happened in the month of August, and then in the month of September, when we were trying to cope up with the situation and was again planning to work from office, so started working from the office, but my boss got corona positive, and an office of lawyer is full of files and stationaries where the chances of being positive is very high. But my boss and his wife tested positive, and we all used to share same campus, and soon after that I also had a thought that I am also going to be tested positive, so I isolated myself for 2 days. Then again I had a thought that my boss supported all of us during COVID-19 times, and then I and he did not stop our stipend. So how can I stop working for him for so many days? Only because of this corona. And the very next day I joined office and did sanitization by myself and started doing work with the surety that I am taking responsibility and I believe in Gonzon and I am going to face it no matter what is the situation. And I am happy to report that neither was required to be tested nor I became corona positive. My faith in Gonzon was so strong that it saved me from all difficulties, and we managed our house and office. And with this, my determinations are to strengthen my studies, carry my mentor heart, and with Sensei spirit become that true disciple Sensei feels proud of. Thank you.